given a matrix of shape n times n arranged in a spiral with its number spiraling from 1 to n power to 2 inward, what is the sum of its diagonals? See examples to clarify what a spiral is. Example 1. The input 3 gives the following spiral. 1, 2, so it's basically 3 by 3, and the sum of the diagonals is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 equals to 25. For the second example, the input 4 is a 4 by 4. The sum of the diagonals is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, which is equals to 80. So you can see the diagonal right here, right here. Let me highlight that actually. So right here, right here, right here, 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 here. For example 2, right here, right here, right here, right here, and this one. I'm not going to do Python, I'm going to do C++. So for the first line, what codingame has provided is basically the number of layers of the spiral. For the output is the sum of diagonals. For the constraints is 0 less than n is less than 1500, and 0 less than s is less than 2 to the power of 32 minus 1. So the example of input and output, and there's 4 test cases that I need to solve. The first one is odd spiral, the second one is even spiral, the third one is bigger spiral, and lastly the fourth one is Milky Way. So let's solve the puzzle.